Hey guys, my name is Hannah Taylor, and I'm taking this class online. This is my third year, I think, of taking online classes. Um, and currently I live in Salt Lake City. We just moved here from Nashville, Tennessee, so it was a difficult move coming from the South. I love it there. Uh, but it's been great to be able to come here. My husband got a new job working for the Jazz, the basketball team here, and I get to be the caretaker for my grandpa, so it works out really well. Um, my major is web design and development with emphasis in design, and I'm taking this course obviously because it's required, but also I feel like it's such a big skill set that I'll need for when I go out to have a career. A lot of job descriptions that I've seen for web development require that you know PHP, jQuery, and lots of other languages. So I think that it'll be a huge benefit for my career, and that way it'll give me a broader skill set. My long-term goals regarding web development. I hope one day to be able to work from home, maybe as freelance or working remotely for a company, doing web design, specifically front end, but also I love the design side, so either way would be fine. Maybe even both. So also something unique about me. Since I came from Nashville, I'm a huge Predators fan, which is hockey. And we used to go to tons of games. My husband used to work for the Nashville Predators, so we were huge fans. We'll be going to Vegas in a couple of weeks to watch them play the Golden Knights, and I'll be wearing this jersey, so you can look for me on TV. Maybe you'll see me, I don't know. But I'm super excited to watch them because I miss it. Okay, I'm going to start with weaknesses because I want to end on a positive note. So I think my biggest weakness is that I have a hard time asking for help. So sometimes I'll spend too much time on my own trying to solve a problem that could easily be resolved just by asking someone. And so I'll just spend way too much time on something. But I hope that whoever group I'm in, that they can break me of this habit and we can all work together and learn how to ask each other questions and figure things out together. And my greatest strength that I think I'll bring to this class is that this is my only class this semester. Since I get to be the caretaker for my grandpa, I decided that it would be really beneficial to only take one class, and so I'll be able to dedicate my time to this class. And I'm also very detail-oriented, and when a problem arises, I don't get too frustrated. I just have this motivation to keep working on it and get it right. So I hope that someone will pick me for their group, and that we can all work together and do a great job this semester. Thanks for watching.